Hey, it's Cosmo. Today we're taking a look at Atoms, the official atomic habit app from James Clear. It is an app based on the very popular book about creating and forming habits, and you're going to get my reactions to it in real time for the first time. Immediately, I'm struck by this interesting thing where it's having me press and hold to get started, and typically you'll see like just a single tap or perhaps a slideshow. So I thought that was kind of unique. So let's do that. Nice, some great animations. I can tell that there's a really incredible attention to detail already with the animations and just the smoothness of it. Really pretty. Okay, so I'm seeing the options for creating a first habit or continue with an account. Let's try creating a first habit. Define my habit. Okay, cool. So it's walking me through the process of what a habit looks like and how to create one. An atomic habit is a regular practice that is small and easy to do and can make a remarkable difference in your life. Let's tap next. So it's all about getting specific. Okay. I will meditate for 5 minutes when I wake up and ground it in an identity so that I can become a mindful person. All right, interesting. Cool. So there's some philosophy behind this methodology. Cool. So I will habit, let's say, okay, great. So the keyboard comes up and I'm seeing some preset options, which is really nice if I don't know what to write. I do have something in mind, which is get out of bed when my alarm goes off. I'll say actually within 5 minutes of when. Great. Time location would be every day at 6:30 a.m. so that I can become interesting. So it's interesting how there's a identity attached to that. That's unique. I haven't seen that before. Cool. All right. You did it. So some nice feedback, reward. Continue. So then I get to select a day. This is really every day, so I'm going to do that. It would be nice if there was a quick shortcut to select all, but that's fine. Habit time would be 6:30 a.m. Again, also, it would be nice if that was automatically selected for me based on the time that I inputted it earlier. It was kind of odd that it did not. It is like having to repeat myself is a little frustrating. Send reminders on by default at the habit time, and then let's see what other options. Okay, if I haven't so far, sure, that's fine. Create habit. Then it prompts me for allowing notifications. Yeah, let's do this for this. Why not allow notifications? Cool. So this is the home screen, and get out of bed within 5 minutes of my alarm. It's kind of odd how that is cut off. Press and hold to log a habit a day. So I actually did do this today, so I'm going to try that. Great. Would love some haptic feedback there. I was expecting some when the yellow circle expanded, but nothing really happened. That's okay. First step to greatness. So that's a really nice reward there. Congrats, you've earned 1 rep milestone. Not too sure what a rep milestone is, but let's see. View habit details is prioritized there. So let's take a look. There's my habit, and then total repetitions. Very good. There's like a streak kind of situation. Completion rate 100%. Success. Cool. This is all looking really great so far. Everything feels very clean, balanced. There's a good sense of white space as well, and I'm feeling it creates a sense of relaxation, and the fonts also convey just a professionalism as well. I'm gonna exit out of this. Down here at the bottom, I'm noticing your trial of Pro has started. So that's big and black. So that's drawing my attention. Let me open that up and see what it's offering me. 28 days trial of Pro on us. So that's nice. I get a free trial. Don't know what that is. So let's learn more. Okay, so out of the gate, of course, there's a business model here. So freemium type of app. Interesting. So the free version, there's only 1 habit, and then the Pro version is only 3. So they've really made a conscious decision to limit the number of habits that you focus on, which I appreciate, because some of the other apps you can add unlimited habits, and that can be overwhelming. And I suppose they must have learned that the more habits people try to tackle at once, the less success they have. So that's my take on why they're limiting it there. And then there's some options for the pro. Let's see, mindset, content access, shift the belief behind the behavior. I don't know what that means. Daily lessons. Okay, accountability partner. Oh, I like that. Share your personal quest and cues to stick with habits. It all sounds great. So it's $120 a year or $17 monthly. I like how there's that discount on the yearly. And then I love this nice gradient playing into the yellow-orange theme with a hint of magenta or kind of purplish there. And trial pro ends. Okay, so I see that it's actually, by default, I'm already subscribed to pro, it looks like. So they're giving me a taste of it. It says trial of pro ends in 28 days. Okay, so let me close this. And then let's come over here to the progress tab. Habit progress. So this is where I can see the progress that I've made on my habit. So I love the phrasing of this. I've cast one vote towards becoming a better me. Identity reflection will check in with you every few repetitions to help you track your progress towards who you want to become. So I have not really reflected on that yet. Don't know how to do that. Tap share. Okay, continue with an account. So there are some features that require an account. Come back here. Shows my streaks. And okay, let's come over to mindset and see what's going on here. Okay, so there's some educational content courses from James Clear, which makes a lot of sense. Adams 101, productivity. So let's open up. First of all, I'm really digging these subtle gradients. They're really nice with the various colors they've selected, but they're not overdoing it. It's just a gentle experience. Let's take a look at, let's do this productivity. Okay, so it just opens up basically like a blog article and the ability to share it, and that's pretty much it. So that's pretty basic. Let's see what other categories here: motivation, willpower, procrastination. I really enjoy the organization of this, and yeah, it's pretty simple in here, but looks good so far. And then let's come over here to the top one. Daily wisdom from James Clear, creator of Adams. Okay, great. Okay. And then the last tab I have not explored yet is this, what looks to be like a profile icon. So guest user, by default I'm a guest, and then I can invite someone to become an accountability partner. This is interesting. The Hall of Fame celebrates habits you formed and decided to stop tracking. That's cool. So there's a progression, an on-ramp. When I have successfully formed a habit, I'm able to display it in a way that celebrates my accomplishment. So those are my first impressions of the Adams app from James Clear. Overall, this has a wonderful design with subtle use of gradients, white space, great typography. They've put a lot of care and attention to detail into this. I'd love to see some more haptic feedback and perhaps some more explanation around the psychology and methodology. I could see this helping me form a habit in an easier way because it's leveraging certain psychological motivating factors that James Clear has identified. Thanks for watching. This was a new format that I'm experimenting with in real time. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content.